In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain in Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confidently complete your purchase. First, make sure you're signed in and on the Wix homepage or dashboard. From there, move your mouse over the billing and subscription section in the main navigation. A menu will appear. Click on domains to open the area where all domain-related tools live. This is your central hub for searching, purchasing, and managing domains on Wix. Inside the domain section, select Buy a New Domain Name. You'll see a search box. Type the domain you want. Keep it short, easy to spell, and aligned with your brand. You can use letters, numbers, and hyphens, but avoid leading or trailing hyphens and steer clear of complex spellings that are hard to remember. If your first idea is taken, try slight variations or consider different extensions like .com, .net, or a relevant country or industry-specific ending. When results appear, Wix will show availability and alternatives. Choose the option that fits your needs and click Get It. This adds the domain to your cart and moves you toward checkout. Next, select how long you want to register the domain, often 1 year by default, with options for multiple years. Longer terms can reduce the risk of accidental expiration and sometimes offer better value. It's also wise to enable auto-renew so your domain stays active without you having to remember renewal dates. If privacy protection is available for your domain, keep it enabled to help shield your contact details in public records. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Confirm the domain spelling, review the price and any taxes, and provide accurate registrant details. These must be correct to meet domain registration rules and to receive essential notices. Choose your payment method, apply any promo codes if you have them, and double check the order summary before you complete the purchase. After you submit payment, you'll see a confirmation and your new domain will appear in your Wix domains list. In many cases, you'll receive an email asking you to verify your contact information. Open it and complete that verification promptly to keep the domain active. When you're ready, you can connect the domain to your Wix site right from the domains area. Wix will guide you with simple prompts. That's it. You've searched, selected, and purchased a domain in Wix using a clear, reliable process. If you want to explore alternative names, just repeat the search and compare options until you find the perfect fit.